amo tayo mga. The view is viewing. The view is taking my... The view is giving. Yun. The view is giving, guys. Wala na siya mushroom dali, no? Ay, ilan man tumagas. Mushrooms. Ato, oh! Mon! There's a lot of them. Go, take it. Bali sa'yo. We saw mushrooms. Mushrooms. Diba? 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 Mas gwapa pa ang ano, nga pumaksay sa ano, mushroom. No. Nada. Wala. Dito sa ugsada na lula, may tubo ba lang mushrooms dito? Sunod na dahon. Ato. Kanan, kumpol. Tama na. Kumpol ba? Kumpol. Yan, like that. Tapos iuna siya. Perfect. Wala pa siya ulod. Ay, meron na. Meron. You see those red?
What kind of parasite is this?
I don't know.
They're cute.
Oh, they're not uod. They're bugs. Centipedes, I guess. Pag uod kasi, sa sulod siya. So,
Cute.
they're red, bro.
It's pink.
Red.
Look closely.
They're red.
Pink guru.
We have a lot of resource
Here in Bukid, yeah.
here in Bukid. You just need to pick them up from the Mother Earth. Yeah, why? Where are you? Where are you taking your resources from? They're from Mother Nature, right?
You can't see it. It's hidden.
Dito lang, dali lang.
Ay, itot na.
Tama kita ang bali mga damo pa magtubo. This is not a liblib na lugar, guys. This place is just along the highway. Along the highway, but a bit far from the highway.
No, grabe lang kulay itong hair ko.
I don't think we're ready for it. Take down. I didn't want to feel on the surface.
Yeah, let's go. You'll be begging and crying all of you down. That was my shot. Yeah. Yung mga bata gamay, magtungasalig ko.